Welcome to 60 Second Crypto. Today we're going to show you how to mine Maplecoin. Maplecoin is a brand new coin that came out on March 25th. It uses the kryptonite algorithm. First thing you're going to want to download is Superminer. I've left a link in the description. Go ahead and extract that. Then you want to download the Maplecoin wallet. You don't need to install anything, just extract that as well. And then there will be a Maple program with a Maple leaf you can open up. Open up the Superminer. Open all the folders, and then you're going to see a script for two different default scripts for Pigeon Coin and Raven Coin. You can open one of those, so you can just use a base for your script. First thing you want to do is open the Maple program. You're going to delete the address that is after the U here, or it might be a username for a kind of pool. Click receive address. It should only give you one. You're going to copy that and paste it after -U. You want to make sure -P says X, and if it says anything else, it's not going to work with the pool link I'm going to give you, so make sure it's -P space X. Here's the mining pool, Lucky Pool. They've got their stratum settings at the bottom of the page. Copy everything after O, and then paste it into your own script. Change -A, this is the algorithm settings. Write kryptonite in lowercase, and your script should be ready. You're going to want to, one more, you want to save it as a batch file, so .bat at the end of whatever you call it. And then go ahead and give it a test. Bingo, bango, bongo. Make sure you give me some of them maple, and hit subscribe.